Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add labels in Jira. So first thing is to go right here to the project where you want to add your labels. Now go to the list view, and in the list view you should see all of your tasks. So go all the way to the right until you see labels right here. You can click on add a label, but if you don't see labels, just click on right here to add a new column and search for labels, like so, labels, and then simply click on create a new field. You can select the field type, labels, and field name, labels. Click on create. Now you have successfully created a new label if you don't have it, but you can see that name already exists in my project. So I will go back to labels and click on add a label. Now select the label, so let's say 1, and click on one new label. Then add a label 2 and click on add a new label. This is basically how you simply add the labels to your project tasks in Jira. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.